This is an example of the AO3, evaluation of the appropriateness of weight training and other factors for Zeke. For example, weight training can work on muscular endurance, which Zeke will need to meet the demands of a race or competition. This component of fitness will also be necessary for when Zeke is either training or performing in an athletics meeting. It is relevant to improve his performance in all athletic events that require repeated muscular contractions, such as the 800 m. Weight training can work on Zeke's muscular strength and power. This will be needed when throwing a javelin or long jumping. This will enable him to throw further or jump higher, increasing his chances of obtaining a personal best score or winning the competition. Weight training can help with developing speed, which is necessary in all running races, jumps, and for movement in the javelin. Equally, it can reduce speed if Zeke is carrying too much weight due to excess muscles. Zeke should tailor his training and development so that he can work at this optimal performance. Weight training can be tailored and adapted for a 15-year-old and can target specific muscles that are required to compete in his range of athletic events. The stronger Zeke is, the more effective he should be, resulting in an improvement in performance. Although weight training is appropriate, however, there are other methods that can be used. Cardiovascular endurance training, fartlek, interval or continuous training for the 800 meters, plyometric training for power when throwing the javelin, and long jumping, interval training for short sprint training when sprinting in all his events. Zeke could have ice baths or massages to prevent DOMS and recover from weight training so that he will be able to train again quicker. Zeke could supplement weight training with manipulation of diet, for example, carbohydrates for increased energy, protein for muscle repair and growth to carry out his training program effectively. Zeke could use sport and fit to inform safe and effective training. Training methods need to be specific to his events. Progressive overload, fit, can be applied or monitored throughout the program. Might want to do other training methods to avoid tedium.